Final video to fix black screen issues in Baldur's Gate 3. And if your game opens to a blank screen or never shows anything, let me ask you, are you launching Baldur's Gate 3 and only seeing black while the game seems stuck? This problem usually happens because graphics drivers are outdated, game files are corrupted, or display settings conflict with Windows. Sometimes overlays or recent updates also trigger this issue without warning. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky tweaks, complicated graphic settings, or confusing steps that feel impossible to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of changing everything blindly, we fix the exact graphics or display component that causes the black screen. This works because it restores proper communication between Baldur's Gate 3 and your system. The method is safe, fast, and works on all setups once you apply it. The game launches normally, the black screen disappears, and your gameplay is restored. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If this black screen issue is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.